Kelebe mmiri si wee ba n'opi ụgbọgụrụ. Metụrụ m aka na share button. Metụrụ m aka na share button. Share this video. Ka I pass your message do very important this morning. Ka I pass your message do very important this morning. Ka I mara ebe mmiri si wee ba n'opi ụgbọgụrụ. Ka I mara onye nyụrụ ife na-esi. Metụ aka na share button. Why na mada for comment ebe? Why I know they see comment here? Because share this video, share this video, share this video, share this video. And well, information yesterday, was it yesterday or 2 days ago, that Ken Palace of Justice was arrested as soon as he landed in Lagos. That Ken Palace of Justice was arrested as soon as he landed in Lagos. Then, one night nwoke onye Okpombadike, in his own usual way, ọmapụtakwa na Facebook again, ndoka jisi njoka jighara ese otu okwu a na-eso okwu aka na-eme ife ama n'ife na-eso okwu aka na-eme onye ale nwa Alisa, I greet you. Good morning. Go otu okwu a na-eso okwu ndoka njikwọsị ndoka jighara ese inwetara information na arrest Ken. You don't even have any clue at all on what led to the arrest of Ken. You claim you don't know whether na the report or whatever. You, in fact, from the way you were reporting na that video make it shows that you don't have the right information about what and who arrested Ken. How come it seems like you have come to the conclusion that none do Ken arrest? Now that will take me to what I want to say and my opinion about this arrested Ken. Ken is in a prison, pota. O make video, apologize here to everybody. Ono try ya ko ono drag ya into saga back again. Mbono na Senegal. He tried everything possible to run away from that saga then. Ken batakwa na Nigeria again. Ono mana acho no no ya dolu Ken dokukwe back na saga again. Ebo sinalo wepo kono na make ya na force ya force no ya dokululie back to that saga. Emana onye cho ko do controversial these days obidokuwe maka ndoka. Left for me if you want me to say something about this so-called arrested Ken or whatsoever, I will tell you that nobody arrested Ken. Let me be honest with you. I have studied it critically. I have watched the body language and reactions of people that are breaking this news to us, and I have come to realize that all the same format they use let us stop allowing these people to be playing with our emotions. Nobody arrested Ken. All this alarm J-Pack, let me tell you, my brother, you are my brother from Opo. I think it's high time you change your ways. Change your ways. If people are not telling you the truth, let me tell you the truth now as my brother, which you say you are. Change your ways. Your ways do very bad. And I don't know why people who are around you are not advising you. Why are you behaving like this? That was how you woke up one early morning and started raising alarm about take a hit. That was how you woke up one morning and started raising alarm about Shikaran. That was how you woke up one morning and you started raising alarm about Akuna Latugo. That was how you collided many people's head about Arusi Ego na Saba. You have done this same thing in Eme with Afa Ken, with so many people. Ajuoro is no plan saga. Ajuo is in Apollo. If you end up collecting that money and doing that job, or Opulu end their up, plan what this so-called game with the Ken, just to create controversy and unveil Ken again to people, so that Ken can start on another path. What are you going to do about emotions of people you have lied to, people that have exchanged wars? What are you going to do about it? What you continue doing for over how many years? For as so many times as you claim that you don't want to continue in that path, you keep going deeper into that path. What kind of a lifestyle is that? You want to use style again? What any trouble? Yes, we collide the Ken and Ndoka. Isiono. Kobido kwa saga Ndoka. What any trouble? I watched a video. The first live broadcast with Ken after Osna detention pota. You kept on hammering about Ndoka Jigowe Kushi account here. Ojigowe Uruzie ebe onacho kocha another thing oyeme kojiwe jewenga ojenga ne etmo sande. You were trying to cause him or meye to provoke into with some kind of words, so that tomorrow morning you people will start rebroadcasting it. Or make sure no, he did not say anything to that effect. You did all manner of things to poison his mind. He resisted it. In Oreba Kwempa, Ejiko we wota okala ego oyeji we see Senegal we bata, because you want to recruit him again into your own line of idealist, your own kind of corner saga in Abana and keep as well. Or resist ye. Now, Osigo Senegal bata Nigeria. Oh no plan who okay, I challenge you people. It has been over 24 hours. I arrested Ken. If truly that Ken was arrested, I challenge you people to tell us who arrested Ken. It is over. It is now over 24 hours. Ejwe arrest Shakem. I challenge you people to tell us who exactly arrested Ken and why he was arrested. Who arrested Ken? And why was he arrested? So up till now, you people cannot still give the information with regard to this question. Why is it that the moment Ken was arrested, JPAC, you did not wait for people to actually know why Ken was arrested? You came out, you raised an alarm, and you started calling Ndoka. And along the line in that video, you also claimed that you are ignorant of everything that has happened. You got the news from Peji or Gedwin. You did not talk to anybody. Nobody called you on phone. Nobody gave you any information. Nobody briefed you about anything. You jumped out immediately and you started calling Ndoka Jugose, Ndoka Jigarese, Ndoka Jugose, Ndoka Jigarese. I put it to you that this is an arranged arrest. I put it to you. Yes, I put it to you. Boss lady arrested Ken. Then if boss lady arrested Ken, then why was JPAC shouting on top of his voice, calling Ndoka this, Ndoka that, Ndoka this, Ndoka that? Has he come back again on Facebook to come and tell us, okay, that no boss lady arrested Ken? Look at the reason why boss lady were arrested Ken. Look at the reason. Look at what has happened. Emekwuru video yesterday we si nde baye. Onye mara aso nya suo n'igwe. Mana enwe aso suo n'ana. This hate and the instigating spirit and plant in even the Bible. If you go to that video, again a comment section. Okay, end this video, please. I can easily tell you the person that arrested Ken Ezugo. No. Waja, something as that way. How can you tell me who arrested Ken? Who arrested Ken? Was JPAC aware of who arrested Ken yesterday before he came? He came on Facebook yesterday to come out. Now call on a spade though. Now call on a spade. If we continue in this spirit, we are going to destroy an Igbo by. Now call on a spade. If it was a person who arrested Ken and not a church that arrested Ken, then why will you say Ndoka? So if I take action tomorrow against somebody, you are going to label it Ndoka. If I take an action against somebody, you are going to label it Ndoka. If there is somebody who arrested Ken, why can't you people say it was this person who arrested Ken? I am asking you. Let us kind of go why is open at this Facebook or this blue app. If we continue to move in this way, I fear for what will befall an Igbo tomorrow. I fear for what will become an Igbo tomorrow. When has individual action started being collective responsibility? When has individual action emailing something, I took action against you, then it will be labeled against a group of people. So, onye Igbo, jekpolo onye Yoruba police. So, non Igbo, wunde jekpolo onye Yoruba police. I'm asking you, if you don't begin, everything as we speak now looks like an arranged arrest. Because up till today, does it mean that that person who arrested Ken, that I watched a lot of videos where they say Ken has been arrested, but I have not watched many videos where they have said anything about the actual person who arrested Ken. Why should we be supporting such propaganda? And not support her. Why should we be supporting them? JPAC, you came out and raised a false alarm, because I will call it a false alarm. Yes. I am not here for JPAC video. Please just understand that Ken was arrested. So Waja, why did you choose to pick one line where I said that it was a fake arrest, but you disregard the other part of the video that said that JPAC actually okay, since you know that Nobulo Nde JPAC can arrest Ken, can you now make it official that no Nobulo Nde JPAC can arrest Ken? Since you are here now to dispute the fact that Ken was arrested actually, why can't you make it official here that it wasn't those people JPAC can arrest Ken? Yes. Why can't you make it official so that people will know that it no one don't or no one don't arrest Ken and ezo arrest or we fezo arrest abri fezo. Let us be saying the truth on Facebook. Coming to convince us that Ken was arrested, does that change the fact that JPAC has already instigated people already? I plan to go that seed of hatred again, just like he is used to doing that. Arrest Ken. You came out and you started emotionally blackmailing people, telling us what Ken passed through in Senegal, telling us how he was arrested, how he was sentenced to prison, making it look so emotional. Then it was Ndoka, so that in the mother we see Ndoka as Nahad Ken. So after everything Ken passed through, Ndoka Jopabuye, who arrested Ken? Who arrested Ken? Why must JPAC always find a way to squeeze in Ndoka into every single thing on Oblonyoka? Kerundo Nada refer to when each time he talk about Ndoka? On Oblonyoka. Inokwana that video in Mekukwa ni Wonyoka, but let us tell ourselves the truth. Let us call a spade a spade. Echini nekito umekwenye reply to him. Osina ne uya nyoko. onye reply to him osina na ewu ya anyoko mana ugo na e haputa e na plant seed of hatred, e na plant seed of division, e na plant seed of distraction against people, instigating people here and there. Onye respond to you echi niile isina na ewu ya anyoko na ewu anyoko maka na enwata eze n'ugbo, a na ewu anyoko maka na ewu semekofo. I don't know why people around J-Pack don't want to tell J-Pack the truth, that he is planting a seed of enmity among Igbos. He is an expert in doing that. And this is high time people tell him the truth. Ken was arrested. You come and he make a emotional blackmail. Switch in the mother. Back in the mother non doka arrest here. A mabo people according to you. A mabo people. I have to drag you on this issue. How can you say stop dragging you on this issue? I already gave you information as a friend. If you have any issue with J-Pack's video, handle it without mentioning my name, please. Waja okenye spono na ọma ha egwu ana warụ ana. Okenye sịrị na ọma ha egwu ana warụ ana. Okenye sịrị na ọma ha egwu ana warụ ana. Ịghọtago? Okenye sịrị na ọma ha egwu ana warụ ana. Sọọsọ etu a ka mmesi wee hapụ debelu ya. Okenye sịrị na ọma ha egwu ana warụ ana. This is another time for you to openly caution J-Pack, but you don't want to do it. If you show watching in the madu master drag enjoy yourself, enjoy your marriage. Your marriage is this, your marriage is that. Nobody is going to drag you down. Or if you no show. But this is the right time for you people to caution him. He keep instigating people against the church. But you are not saying anything about it. You are not saying anything about it. He keep instigating people against the church. Against the church. The intentions behind him doing that is what I am yet to understand. If Ken was truly arrested, and you people have knowledge and information of who arrested Ken, and J-Pack came out and said that non-doka, by saying non-doka, if you mean no church, no, he was actually referring to a church or churches. No arrest here. Now I am asking you, don't you think that the same way is Webia clarify yala here that Ken was actually arrested? That no yadokwa very very important. No one arrested Ken, no Blondoka arrested here. Or do you have a problem by saying that no Blondoka arrested here? Why do you want that particular controversy about who arrested Ken to be hanging on the air? Why the arrest? They clarify the arrest. You have succeeded in telling us that Ken was actually arrested, but by not clarifying to us who arrested him means that they support non-doka, even when you know the person. Because what you wrote here is that I know the person who arrested Ken. If the person, if only arrested Ken is a person, then why refer to him as Ndoka? Why refer to him as Ndoka? I made a video yesterday. I will not stop mentioning your name. I will not stop mentioning your name. If you can come to my page to come and support J-Pack, then I will not stop mentioning your name. Waja. I will not stop mentioning your name. I will keep mentioning your name until you tell us who arrested Ken. I will not stop mentioning your name. I will keep mentioning your name until you tell us who arrested Ken. Yes, I don't have any problem with J-Pack. You know what I'm talking about. I don't have any problem with J-Pack. I am not calling you to come and support me either. Since you are used to saying the truth, and you have come out here to come and tell us the truth, you gotta go. Don't give me that information. I don't need that information. Yes. I don't need that information. Yes. If I need any information at all, that information is for somebody to confirm that it is not the church that arrested Ken. So why are you coming here to come and confirm to me that the arrest, the real But you are not telling me that Nobolondo can arrest here. Is that information correct? Is that information correct? Eh? Why are you coming here to confirm to me that they arrest the real? But telling me now that Nobolondo can arrest here as JPAC alleged, you don't want to say it. Is that not deceit? Is that not deceit? You wanted to confirm to people that actually na arrest ya the real, so that in the name of arrest here, we know that okay, then you decided to leave the American arrest secretly. I am asking, or a secret arrest American man video all over the social media. Who was even handling that camera? I put it to you now that arrest to fake. It was an arranged arrest. I put it to you. It was fake. Oh, now that arrest is fake. I want you people to openly tell us who arrested Ken. Before to say no boss lady. Now boss lady cool. Boss lady who no arrested Ken. We want people from Ken's side to confirm on air no boss lady arrested here. Why are you people hiding it? Why are you people hiding it? Onu shokunu say plan squeeze Ken back in call about Nigeria. Can recruit woye. That is it. Can recruit woye. That is it. If not, how can Ken be openly arrested and you people are hiding JPAC do fast? Not those who after chase them away and then those you need to mention, but you heard me mentioning his name. Did you not hear me mentioning his name? Yeah? Waja, did you not hear me mentioning the name of JPAC when I started this program? Did you not hear me mentioning his name? I said two things here, which is number one. I said that the way and the manner they packaged this arrest information goes in this arrest a prank. Or goes in this arrest the continuation of what Ken did in Senegal. Looking at the characters in a play, lead role in this arrest, that everything about that arrest is fake. Then I went to the next one, which is why will JPAC quickly come out to confirm to people no Ndoka arrest Ken, preaching to us about Ndoka, Obieje Ndoka. It is assumed that before maybe that video, no one go information about who arrested Ken before he can begin to allege such. Now, along the line of that video, he also tried to squeeze in something else, which got me confused. Now, you are not here, Waja, to come and say, okay, no Ndoka. What you only come here to come and confirm to us who they will arrest actually, or who they will arrest. We also want you to complete that statement by telling us who arrested Ken. If you don't tell us who arrested Ken, then I will put it to you that there is no arrest. Yes, Ken was not arrested secretly. Hence, the information to all over social media. And then we were accusations. So, if you can quickly come and clarify to us that the arrest is the real, why can you not make it more clear by telling us who arrested Ken? You people should stop this, for God's sake. You people should stop this. Kusenifa. Okubawa na ani igba. Oya agba onye ọwụna. Oya agbaso bem, hapụ onye ọzọ. JPAC pụta, ọ na-plant the seed of hatred among ndị Igbo. Moving around behind people, causing trouble and wahala everywhere. Then opportunity even if you don't counter what JPAC said, tell us who arrested Ken openly here. Let us confront that person. Is that not what you people want? Let us call that person and tell the person, because you made this thing. It can happen here. This guy Atagafo na Senegal. It can happen to the guy. We will help you and tell that person. Why are you making it look so complicated? Because na JPAC Ndoka team, a lot of people Bugariwe Ndoka. Unemechisi ziono. Danazie one side. the same thing lead to saga ọgbalụ obido kwakwakwa na ya eke agafuo mmiri ikpololo ndị ụka onwe ebe agbajiri oche ndị ụka onwe ebe emere nka ndị ụka onwe ebe emere nka ndị ụka n'elu ndị ụka na ndị ụka n'elu ndị ụka na ị na-erekrutu gharị people na-erekrutu na manipulate gharị mind ndị mmadụ. Ken, Palace of Justice, you will see this video when you come out. If actually somebody arrested you, run away ị na-agba ọkpara n'aka ọ n'azụ isi ị na-agba ọkpara n'aka ọ n'azụ isi kọmpani nke a ịbara na nke ikpeazụ a nke a jọrọ njọ karịa ebe isi apụta. I have to be honest with you. The highest deceiver fugolu among Igbo content creators, and it's not as if everybody always raising fake alarm everywhere, colliding people's head together. Hana Nusi or behind the scene. No upon Nandi mother shop go your tricks. Still, Ejime a cry wa foul. Ejime a cry wa foul. Yeah? Ndoka this, ndoka that, ndoka this, ndoka that, ndoka this. Yeah? Is it not over 24 hours for the news of who arrested Ken to be all over the air? Or you people are waiting for Ken to come out so that Ken will begin to talk? Then they always say to go for ma. Or even Uneche, or na Ken or Potaketa or Ba Life, J-Pack is she aye, Onye is she aye, Okeke she aye, about 5 to 6 content creators who are kind of secretly plan all this thing. Is she a aye? Then that posting where engagement, people will begin to share it. Then Ken will keep reporting on the same issue. By so doing, on a kwekwane and on Nigeria ever. Also see this year email. Yeah. Yes? You see? They want to use the same tricks they have been using a long time. When they memo na ogo. Hano kata heje plan o fife kuwi ni kuku. Muna ya na ogo, muna na ogo. Hanga no na cash out. The same tricks they use all this while. Yes. Otherwise, the same tricks they use all this while. Ano kata heje kuku ofu story. Bubata ni kuku. A particular people who will numbers. How we want reactions hashol. A project here in kuku. You saw a typical example of how they were planning to gain traffic to their pages. Chineke mebere olikie. If the kind of discussion these people will now WhatsApp group on how to bring quarrel and the fight between me and you. If we ever had no shot, plan no child of ma. Eh? Bubata ni hu awo muna ga na anusi ogo muna ga na eti onwa ayo okpo ha nwa adolozie na egwara anyole. How long are we going to continue in that ever? Owu ni ifo church kita awo ka e woru church ha ma na church nwelu population and na ha ma the controversial issue no ni hu awo right now. If they want to use it now to push Ken in again, if they want to use it now to push Ken in again, eh? Owulu na arresting Ken nwere ike trend etu o si wee trend. Why can they not? Why is it that after 24 hours we have not heard any concrete news about who arrested Ken? Who arrested Ken? Is he a spirit? As him boss lady said. How can boss lady said when Ken has a lot of people who are connected to him, who he must have spoken to since he was arrested, to tell them, oh no, arrest them, then those people will come out on Facebook the same way J-Pack is where pota say no ndoka. That person apota say no mistake okay no boss lady aya no boss lady na page 1, no boss lady na page 2, no boss lady na page 3. Aya conclude no boss lady. Yeah? Aya conclude no boss lady. You cannot just come out to come and clarify that arrested Oreo without telling us who arrested him. But you heard that somebody has alleged that non-doka arrested him. You can as well tell us, okay, yes, non-doka is yoku or non-doka. Yes, that is how things is being done. Let us stop planting this seed of and the Omoronye expert, especially in doing that. It's only that when you do that and we counter you with the truth, provocation, a video from nowhere. We are not used to planning. In fact, we don't even have plan to go and plan or cook up any lies. But when you plan those lies and bring it out, the manner in which we confront you with the truth and fact is what gets people upset. Sometimes they start being confrontational. I handled that issue yesterday. Since we already know why can we not stop it? Malo na Ken Palace of Justice here, one Igbo call, or Honye family baby na call, or Honye Opobono call, or blog or Nwoke. He is, in fact, all of us with the same concern as you. Why will you come out at that critical time, tension to high, to come and squeeze in Ndoka? Kiwe man and the mother yebido, Govandu Ki, and the mother yebido allege for some people. Because Neymana, following closely videos he made previously about Ken, since Ken you have already started mentioning some people. Now, knowing fully well that Keta arrested people will keep thinking again, not those same people. And you know what you are doing. Somebody will come here now and tell me, did JPAC mention names? That is what you people are used to saying. Did JPAC mention names? But you know the people he was referring to. Is that not looking for trouble? Is that the way to maintain the same peace? Yahweh Putena say, why can't you people use your platform to promote peace among Igbos? Is this a way, part of the ways to promote peace among the Igbos? I am asking you. Is this part of the way to promote peace among the Igbos? Is this one of the ways? By involving a group of people, you know the kind of numbers they have. In a controversial issue like this, when those people start to react now, you will come out and say, let us promote peace among Igbos. Why are Igbos fighting? Why are Igbos fighting? But you know why Igbos are fighting? That Igbos are fighting because some people claim that they have master plan of how to provoke people. Yeah? They have the master plan on how to provoke people. You see, respect is reciprocal, and you cannot get what you don't give. It is so sad that you will continue to give stone, but you are expecting to receive sand in return. It is however, more funny. It is, however, more funny, ridiculous when you give stone and you receive stone back, but you start crying. Yes. How can you be promoting somebody who is constantly causing division among the Igbos? How can you find fun in doing that? Yeah? Then all these things be made. Instead of you to come out openly and clarify issues, body language, because of where you are standing, because of relationship you have with people, because of your interest in what is being said. Yeah? iwolu the thing nodo eziokwu ike na ana iwolu nodo eziokwu ike na ana mana ịma ife ahụ ife do capable of a cause trouble. If you capable, a simple misplaced information like this can cause a lot of problem. Go and look for what happened in Rwanda. Go and look for what happened in Rwanda. If the genesis of Ogo and Rwanda today. If the genesis of Ogo and Rwanda today. Just like the way our people has been divided into two. Because whether you like it or not, our people have been divided into two. And with the minority and with the majority. The same way is what happened in Uganda. And with the minority and with those people are now referred as the majority. Those people are now referred as the minority. Wunda na cockroach. Now Rwanda. Now what happened? Or when President Tenashi from this side. Or where by plane. Where they somewhere. And where what will play now on anyway. President a simple radio broadcast that said non de do tua Wundebulu president here Wunya lead to the overnight massacre of millions of Rwanda we wrote today. They all ran away and ran into different countries in the Southern Africa region. Mana na ekuye nkunwa dono die anolo na apianya kele otuko omena na owunna wu di general overseer ye ma na church ya wunna wu nya wu di bubata church na Nigeria ana ekuye e na achagari anya ko oke. They have ended and succeeded in dividing the Igbos into two. Now what they are looking for now is to instigate these people against these people. They always look for something to instigate these people against these people. So that I have that corner and I know one day if me and you a checkmate here, it will lead to something more worse than Facebook banter. And the worst part of scammer is that both you and me, we don't know who will be the victim. We don't even know whether or not our people, whether or not my people from my side or people from your side, can you count to the first or the second scores. So if we ban a video like this, take care for granted because you are trying to defend something I don't understand. You are trying to defend something I don't understand. Whether you like it or not, Igbos has been divided into two. Ndoka and Nde Polonweha, Nde Omenana religion. Now, within these two people, you already know who are the majority and who are the minority. I have told you countless times, take it to what happened in Rwanda, take it to what is happening in Nigeria. What they have Bubatala down na Igbo, they just Ogo. In Kenya na Nigeria, who ethnic Ogo. Yes. Nanda minority, Nanda majority, Nanda marginalized, Nanda before you know it, Isimado Babayo. Now, I'm on this one Bagoye. I'm on this one the Mobage. But one way or the other, don't worry, you lose go one of your loved ones. Nime, Mungwe lose go. And the scores keep counting. It happened in Nigeria as a joke. Before you know it, thousands or hundreds of Igbos, Ebu Hanubu Hausa, Ndausa, Ebu Hanan Igbo. Sunday Yoruba do free from all this madness. Sunday Yoruba, Nde na Ondo Femano, do more wiser than you. Yeah? Nde feel you know how the economic hub of Oboda, and Nde feel you know how the power. National Oboda, onu ne anu ogo, nde Yoruba no na Ondo Femano, Nda Idonkia, no ilo nwe ha, no ilo nwe fa. They take advantage of both situations. Ke no ne bulu ndi Igbo n'ugwu Hausa. No, ne onye Hausa no golu na Nnewi over how many years? How many years? Onye Hausa legoro suya na St. Mary's. Oh, ndị Hausa na ndị Yoruba na na-egbu ndị Igbo n'ugwu Hausa. Mere ji wee gbu that man na St. Mary's Moyoku. onye Hausa nogolu na Nnewi ọfụma no na Nnewi note na Nnewi aka wụrụ part of Nnewi na-asụ Igbo etu aka esi wee nakpu n'ime ebe obi na St. Mary's makpa afa family ha nakpu n'ime ebe a just smoke way out ndị ma ya gbuo ya na St. Mary's mụọ ya ọkụ zukọrọ ego eburu ma machine ya like play unu ewere information misinformation na-egwu egwu na Facebook unu ewere misinformation na-egwu egwu na Facebook a single radio broadcast those days in Nigeria MAQ na Nigeria the moment you take over the radio station for your queue to be successful you must take over the radio station because that is the point of disseminating information. You are playing with information in Nigeria. One day, ihe release nke ya we release ye. Up till today, I cannot try. Sentence so for the Kosovo, the genocide, emere na Uganda, emere na Rwanda, and so many other places, even in South Africa. Are you not aware that this xenophobic attack I made in South Africa? No, a video moment plan no na Facebook. South Africans received that message. They started going into it is misinformation in people instigate against foreigners. Yes. Another na-egburu onye ọcha na South Africa since eji wee n'ụwa ọgụ seno ịhụtara na-egburu onye ọcha all information na package send ya ha. That information came as a joke. Mmadụ nọ na Facebook etu a kwuo ya before mmadụ ife na-eme ọbala mmadụ na-awụfugo na how many ọbala ka awụfugoro na just like a joke. Now to show you how these people pass misinformation. Okay, well, apartheid in South Africa. Who says not African countries when they colonize the South Africans? Apartheid regime. No Nigeria, no Zambia, no Zimbabwe, no head the apartheid regime in South Africa. Upon Dochaka how a way faseha Nanda na bia will call no instead of giving these people the right information. South Africans do lazy. Zambia will Sona Sadiq or a South African region or on a Southern Africa, South Africa, Mozambique, Angola, Bowa, Umobuda, Zimbabwe, Umobodoni now, not within the Sadiq region, do very lazy. They will prefer to settle for nothing instead of how you get fufu. Yes, you will give 50,000 a Igbo, Nimeba. Wachisi ada, wachi gada. Kokola akwara na akwụkwọ gasa n'ihu eba. Onye ohi Zambia nwere ike ịbịa, shake isha stress. Oye ji wee kụwado a, wee bịa were ega. Ọchịkọrọ akwa na akwụkwọ gasa n'ihu eba jewan. Ọ bụ ojele ye, wan kwacha, tenten kwacha, were ejeliri nni. Yes. That is why almost critical places in Dubefa, economic places in Dubeha, to occupied by foreigners because they will prefer to come and work for you. Mbai Biashalo, Zambia, we met a lot of them working as sales boys. We started our business. We became business owners. We started employing people. 10 years, 15 years later, they are still working as sales boys from one shop to the other. They lack that ability and the patience to manage their own business. So even if you leave that business as a foreigner for them, they will still run it down. They cannot manage it very well. Yes. Look at Zambia, for instance. They now manage grocery shops na communities and the streets in Rwanda. On the Rwanda. Manifu shop where they lay provision on grocery. Usually, how they make combine. They got here go beer, here go tomato, here go anything provision. How they make a wallow shop Yahweh, but a multi-purpose shop. You can buy a lot of things you need for your domestic use. Ebata and Korea Zambia. Only nugu. Enjoy nu for the next 1 month to go to Bonua. Oh, ye legido shop wa, lepia shop wa, ebata zenke june, or see ukuribe. Nke june, or see ukuribe. Nke jure, or see ukuribe. No do. ife a wifi ya ata ebe niile mana ihe afụ nke onye Rwanda na manage 6 o'clock in the morning ndị Rwanda emepesịa na shop fa 6 o'clock in the morning ndị Rwandese niile nọ na Zambia emepesịa na shop ha ịpụta ha ka ijegolo ife ha elesịghị ije na shop nke ọwụ onye Zambia nwe 9 o'clock ị ka na-akwụgharị ka ọ bịa gbape shop. You see all these things. Now what did they do? Ha wee je connive wee concoct one lie wee tinye na social media wee broadcast wee na-enwetara onye Rwanda gburu mmadụ berisia ya tinye na freeze na George compound. It started from a compound ebe poor people nọ there. They did it very well. Ha mana ndị iwe na-ewe ka nkụ ha wee tụchaa dị ụga wee gbawa ihe na social media wee kwuo na o nwere onye obodo bata na shop onye Rwanda ịbịagoro ife onye Rwanda ahụ wee meghe deep freezer ka o lesi ya ife o wee fụ anụ pasị mmadụ n'ime that fridge ọkwa etu a ka ha si wee descend ya na that shop lutuo ife niile dị na shop ahụ gbuo that man mụọ ya ọkụ bido target wa shop ndị Rwanda niile until onye isi obodo nye ọda ewe chibatazie ndị agha n'ebe niile ewe nwee peace. Now chọbazie that particular fridge ebe afụrụ aka mmadụ ọkpa mmadụ nwere ebe afụrụ ife na point out kịta is ọkwa ifuru this misinformation a na-enye anyị na Facebook a n'ala Igbo ụbọchị ọya akọsụ problem nwere ike iwo mmadụ na-eweghọta ife m na-ekwu. Let us be celebrating and dancing on ignorance. Kata a group of people comprised of many numbers and calibers of people. You want to be instigating two groups against each other. One day, some people will get that message very wrongly and they may take actions and you will be held responsible. You will be held responsible because you are the one. Na emecha genocide or most of these things. And a buzo JP the buzo way originate that information, that particular news. Only made that radio broadcast na Rwanda. Na International Criminal Court. Yes, all those people partaking in distributing that information, all of them were picked up and they were tried in International Court of Justice, International Criminal Court. Yes, that is how much powerful information though. But you dish it out without minding the adverse effect, cumulative effect, after effect of that information. Yes. Oh na mmadụ gwara ụmụ ya, no nwanne m nwoke a melu na makpata ha ego taa. Onya melu na those two families nọ na enmity for over 30 years to 40 years. A na-egburi ya mmadụ. Ọ na mmadụ meghepụrụ ọnụ ya misinform ụmụ ya gwa ha na na-ada etu awụ nwe why na ọnya nwe. That simple misinformation o nyere ụmụ ya emego na isi mọdan mmadụ 7 adago na ana ahụ emechara buru ma alụsị je dowi na alụsị na-egusi ndị mmadụ. Yet you people are still playing with information, calling it saga and the joke. Yeah? Calling it saga and joke. Look at the case of Chikalan. You came after Chikalan. A lot of people got emotionally attached to both sides. Ndekwere Chikalan, Ndekwere JPAC. A lot of relationships, a lot of friendships was destroyed. The only thing at the end of the day, you came out to say that no one made the 10. How can people be mean? Wonder you will suffer for it. You will run away. Look at onye Zion, not with somebody who is a strong follower of Ken. Ndane follow mmadụ ema no follow siri onye ahike ikuku dị fa. Yeah? People they fail for people he pick provocations here and there. Yes. I was discussing with somebody yesterday, and he told me how a message in na Facebook see when they destroy business here. Yet you came and you laughed over it. You did it because you are doing it because of one interest or not. You know that this is not the truth, but you still choose to peddle those lies for the fun of it, for the cash that comes with it, for the excitement of doing that. At the end of the day, somebody is suffering the effect of that thing till today. Somebody is suffering the effect of that thing till today, and you have gone to your bed. You are sleeping like a baby. You think you will not suffer for it? Na ife iji wee kenye onwe na bondage taa afụfụ ebighị ebi ahụ ife metal in reality kama na ife iji ọnụ ukwute na Facebook or na ife metal na Facebook. We are abusing this Facebook. We Igbos, we are abusing this Facebook. There is only little thing do good IGM. Every other thing IGM na Igbo we forjure bad things or if IGM na Igbo. And it's high time I retrace that step now before it becomes too late. One day, what it means to dish out wrong information. A woman will damage something. Let me give you an instance so that you will know how information moves. Oh, mad me say mad okwe fro me cha ife. If next week man am onye ala. Onye nya na onye ahụ nwere okwu wee nụ ya. Onye ekwupụta nke ụwa nụrụ. Onye eni wee take advantage of that situation. You got to go. We take advantage of that situation. We je commit evil against Onya. Onya we nwụọ. Kele onye ahụ ejide. We jide onye ahụ kwuru ya ekwu ụwa nụrụ onu e. O we je taba afụfụ ife ọma ha maka ya. Ikwugata okwu na Facebook. Okwu ọ na-adụ sensitive. Tayo eze. Okwu ọ na-adụ capable of instigating people against each other. Tayo eze. Chekwuzina ya anyhow. That is why you have a lot of these people not in a controversial positions. People they representing them model. He media spokesperson. He legal team. He media personalities. He had that dilute information. Will out to the people so that people will not misinterpret the information or react in a certain way. Yes. That is it. Onya batalona. If una arrest ya, onye nwere ko si we dokita. Look at na kelo oko Uganda ko go no obodo wine. The moment, let me use Zambia for instance. Before Hakainde Hichilema, this president in Zambia became the president of Zambia. President in Kenya Shimbo, Nyane were serious fracas. Now, they did not only turn the political atmosphere in Zambia then as mere political opponents. They reduced it into tribes or based into tribal and ethnic ogo. That is what they did. Hassan and decide the president here na Chikita, just like if I live in Nigeria today, that they can never rule Zambia. Hana koha na hawu efi because na hawu expert in cattle rearing. Eji hawe malo nde na azu efi. And they mana oboda farming sona nife na enye hego ofuma. So nda anodo ka ndi Igbo ba yo because had very industrious both in business, both in farming, both in cattle rearing. But how minority happen compared to the other tribes? So this man keta na keta. So now either the second or the third richest people in Zambia, but don't belong to that minority group. And he has been in opposition for over 20 years, 23 years actually. He contested election in Zambia for over 23 years before he won. And I humiliate here, Noya Chinata, a way to Noya into ethnic ogo. Now, there was a cultural festival anime in one province. Onisi obodo, na-eje the man na-eje and the man na-agakwa ọ na-akpọkọsị ka o nwere ife ha na-akpọ kadas na ọdụ ka ndị foot soldiers ịghọtago then ndị political party na-eso so the man na-agakwa ọ na-aga with moto nwere ike ndị ya eso ya elu 100 o wee pụta na border e wee kiri ya ihe ọga ozugbo ahụ ọ na-aga na-ekwo presidential sweeper ka ọ nọ na speed na-abịa ọwụ na onye isi obodo na-ekiri onye isi obodo apụtakwana mana ka ha na onye isi obodo na-aga ha ka stop ya ha hapụ ya ọga onye isi obodo na-abịazi ọdụzie ka convoy ha na-abụ ọ na-anya etu a n'ilo ọdụ ka convoy ha na-abụ na-anya etu a n'ilo sweeper ahụ nọ n'ihu wee sweepzie moto nke na nkọ onye isi obodo wee gaa and onye isi obodo nwanyị na glass moto down the next thing after 2 days e wee unleash forces no the man we break LM siege na be this man more than 4 to 5 hours before e wee arrest ya kulisiche ebe niile that may a lot of things before e wee arrest ya sensing that na that tribe nwere ike ịba ịlọgụtin that because a lot of ukwu a na-ekwu na Facebook na ndị tribe they left politics now political party these people are made political opponents. They now started talking about tribes. Even if I live in Nigeria, and Hausa, ndị Yoruba, ndị Igbo, ahapụzie Peter Tinubu, eredusuzie etu ndị Hausa, ndị Igbo, ndị Bemba, ndị Nyenja, mba, ndị Keriva na-akpọ ya, ndị Keriva na-akpọ ọwụlụ na president ya na-achị obodo a instruct her head of media here to issue a statement in less than 24 hours. Zambia can walk raise it down into dust because nanda akwadocha no formal no operation ka na-enyefa nefa awu na ha man election na-eluwe na because ashajire for treason yes and they man never have a available offense and I am on a sentence here one you gotta go even now if Obasanjo came to Zambia because of this issue. In fact, it was about 3 weeks after Obasanjo left Zambia that Hakainde Hichilema was released. He was in detention for over 3 months. Now at every given time on ensure no they use the media spokesperson here to be calming down his people. Yes, everything is under control. The president has ensured you people to maintain a calm atmosphere. Let there be peace. One Zambia, one nation. If we have information, they were waiting for instruction. They were waiting for the man to say enough is enough. We cannot take it anymore. They were waiting for that. Now they got something that made their mind to cool down. I am only trying now. Fast forward again to after Owino election. Kada ada alwolu ba ya on the kada si nwobodo na Zambia. Ndị ta auto ye follow na street. Ndị foot soldiers. O ha nwobodo. Ha na shi n'ime afia. Ha na shi ebe niile. Ha ji power ebe niile. Now kada si ndị red. Nwoke a na shiketa na kada si ndị green onye nke pụrụ apụ. Eji ha anya afọ onwe ha. Ndị niile eme ha alụ. A na-ebucha ma egbe. Na-ebu ma mma na-achụsịsị ha ma n'ime afịa na ha ya azụ afịa n'ime afịa. They were waiting na warm up nke buru na taxi ọsị hey na ọ bụrụ na president ha winuo. They were waiting to unleash their bitterness on ndị eni na ọwụ na ha winuo. Mgbe ha winuru the man malụ na o si na inauguration ground ahụ pụọ without a mmiri gbanyụọ ọkụ ahụ na-enwu na the next morning na ozu mmadụ ya dara agala o wee mechaa speech that day wee abolish Kadarism wee say nobody should fight anybody no na abolish Kadarism inside the market and everywhere ọkpa wee too onye ọna na that was how he neutralized them. Ewopie ọbaleju n'ilo the next day ha mechaa na mma debe pangas ha mechaa na edebe na-eche ka ebebe mmadụ isi. And we are playing and joking with information here in Nigeria. You can come on Facebook and open your mouth and say anything without minding the reaction of Ifeneme. Let me tell you people. Ani Igbo ekwukwana nya yesterday. Ani Igbo na agbagala na nya on the ground. Christmas elukwana sonwyana ụfọdụ ayana ụfọdụ anapụ Christmas for the past 4 or for the past 3 years. Yes. Now, this social media, ebe anyị na-anọ na-enwe interaction. Ebulukwa the same thing na-abịakwa na social media. Emelu can arrest a very controversial issue like that. You came online next minute to come and accuse a certain set of people. No harm, even without you being sure. Even without you being sure. As he dey hot, he break here immediately. He will cause for provocation, so that some people will begin to react. Today, it may be word to word. It may be Igwe to Igwe. It may be drawing traffic. Tomorrow, it may lead to something else. As you keep doing that, you are preparing the mind of people to the day they will say, enough is enough. I don't know the people that will say, enough is enough. But one day, you will say, you will accuse another, enough is enough. These people will rise up against these people. And every actions that resulted from that something info meeting at Facebook will be on your head. It will be on your head. It will be on your head. Watch what you say on social media. Okari hetua. Watch what you say on social media. Then unkuziye waja ye pota kebia clarify ya na arrest Ken. Who says that is the problem? The problem is not Ken being arrested. Anybody can be arrested, including me, including you. Anybody can be arrested. The real issue lies on who arrested him. That is what is capable of causing problem. That is what is capable on leading to uprising of people. Yes, that is what is capable of instigating people. Yes, that is what is capable of causing people to rise against each other in the market, in the parks, in their business areas. If a mother say, look at Ken, before you marry name, look, let me tell you, a name argument in Paul, can we be there no work whereby madam, a name argument in Paul. Yeah? Who and the why? Daddy, good morning, sir. As in now arrested in the Palace of Justice yesterday. Was it yesterday or 2 days ago? They said he was arrested, and J-Park came on Facebook and they started shouting non-doka arrested, yeah? Without even knowing the real situation. Melu. So as I was saying, without even knowing the actual team, he started accusing Ndoka. Non-Doka je arrest the Ken. He started instigating people, yeah, without knowing who arrested Ken, why Ken was arrested. And up till now, Up till now, we are still waiting for them to tell us who arrested Ken. Was there actually already an arrest? Or their usual game they are playing just to get to the emotions of people? Is it actually that now arrested Ken Ezioku, or this is just a game? Then if this is just a game, then why are you calling the name of people? Why are you trying to instigate people? Why are you always throwing in something that will make the two parties, Ndoka and Nde Omenana, Buzezoku, to be crashing always? And the one day that crash will leave Facebook and come to physical on the ground. And don't know when the bro Obalonia Yano Nisionye instigated that thing. JPAC has proven to be an expert in doing that. And I am telling you, one day, anyhow, everywhere on a Pokepuano, then came of recent drag seaman, now drag Bebioko, or drag Aqua, or drag a lot of people into Kenyoro of recent. Nkenyuru Sicha, each get up again and Kekena. You can never get tired. You can never get tired of controversy. You can never get tired of saga, even though you said you are tired of saga. But you can never get tired. You win and don't arrest Ken. And arrest the mother experience Ken na Senegal 8 months on Anga. People will feel pity. Then you put Nando Kadela Hona Hana Joka. Claim Hana forgive. Could not forgive him, yet they went and arrested him. And that was the reaction waiting on Facebook. And that was the of your year, Ndoka this, Ndoka that, Ndoka this, Ndoka that. Of your life, and all this claim more than my female. Now, when Ken came out, you came on Facebook on a Facebook Live. You were using more than 20-something minutes to poison the mind of Ken against Ndoka, trying to make him to believe that Ndoka Meluye Ojiwe pass it through, if any not pass it through. You were doing it systematically, trying to recruit him into the saga at the moment. He was resisting it because he never wanted to talk about anything like that. He was just asking some funny questions. You kept on pressing. You even want to cajole him into telling him that you will pay more than half of his bill, or you will back to Nigeria, so that you can get him enticed into joining you. He refused and he resisted it. Now he came back. Either you people planned it or the arrest was real. It happened and you came out again. And again, Otunduka Esre, no ha dirigu, Guje Bwa, Onyobodo Saga. Otunduka Esre, no ha dirigu, Guje Menka, no ha Balu Kejenyonya poison, no ha dirigunka. Otu, that single video email, Wunya lead to a lot of things I made on Facebook of recent, which you have failed to acknowledge till today. You have failed to acknowledge it till today. Not that video email by instigating that all those things they committed on Facebook, which we assume that you did it without anybody pushing you. I confront you all there. One thing led to one thing. Look at what happened. A lot of people was dragged into it. Ichiyakwa back, reinforce again. Shopaki wolukwa nke na we shine again. I don't know how you sleep. I honestly don't know how you sleep at night. But however, we is alahola at night. Anamajagike. Isirike. I don't know how you manage to lay down on your bed and you sleep at night. You keep talking about Ndoka. Are you not a Christian? Show us the way a real and a true Christian should live their life, so that we can emulate from your life. You keep saying you are a Christian, but Ndoka, we want to see the reflection of that true Christian. We want to see what it means for somebody to live a Christ-like life. We want to see it manifest in you, so that we can say, okay, this is how we should be behaving. If all of us should start behaving the way you are behaving, an Igbo will go up in flames. If all of us should emulate your lifestyle, there will be no peace in an Igbo. If all of us should start conducting ourselves the way and manner you are conducting yourself on Facebook, good morning or good afternoon. Have you seen that you are not also living up your life as a Christian after all? You are not behaving or living your life as a Christian after all. Before Facebook will hear, he said you can never apologize to anybody. But here you are talking about forgiveness. Here you are talking about people forgiving people. But on a Facebook, okay, no way why you can never apologize to anybody, not to talk of apologizing to a woman. You said it on Facebook, and yet you are a true Christian. You are a true soldier. Yeah? Let us on a program yesterday. Forget about what I believe in. Forget about what I stand on. Forget about what you believe in. Your opinion doesn't really have much to do with me. I can counter it anyway, but it has nothing to do with my life. But there is something when we share, no connect, like connect. It does the whole others will collide against each other. And don't I go on that area, even the one when I go on that climax, maybe I want to be here. If I am even on Facebook, I resort to physical confrontation on the ground. And then I am saying it, and let this Facebook bear me witness that na shout here, na shout to see it. So in the chocolate that cover J Park cover wakane until something result from Ifokulu when I'm up akpọrọ mmadụ afa enwe onye akpọrọ afa kedu ife omelu a na-eru ya anya ọkụ o mechara wedding n'ego ka nkụ a na-eru ya anya ọkụ. Now what if lead to jealousy from people countering you from what you said? Because when you said that, it is assumed that people will rise up and tell you kenundo kamerifa anowakwe ananu ye. Why can't you make you a single video without akukosiro mmadụ ito isi ọnụ? Onwe video imelu aya akukosina mmadụ ibu isi ọnụ ka I happy ikwu mmadụ ito. Will that video not trend? I'm asking you. Will that video not trend? Yeah? Will that video not trend? Must you do a video that will collide the head of people? Must you do a video that will instigate people? For you to come out on Facebook and say that Nando Kadiliru Guje no Saba onye obodo ogo. Nando Kadiliru ka eme plan ka eje arrest ya Chisomama. Nando Kadiliru ka enye onye nwa no poison. Nando Kadiliru. What is your aim? What is your aim? If not to recruit people to start exchanging of words, to start fighting each other on Facebook. That was your aim, nothing else. That was your aim, nothing else. Mgbe na-emeye ekukosigo people isi ọma anụmago nke a nọcha eputakwa nyagarịkwa sieri n'azụ. Either ways, it is still these people fighting these people, and you are still at the center of it. Imebe nke ahụ, nke ahụ fiocha odoka nke ahụ ezugholu ịmapụtakwa. Yeah? I don't know how you sleep, my brother. I don't know how you sleep, honestly. O nwere ike ọwụrụ na n'ime video nwere ike promote peace. I think that the only video ị na-eme na Facebook a na-promote peace wo nke ijere ime business which is ego. Ebe ijere ime advert which is ego. You gotta go, which is ego. Every single step you take on Facebook is capable of destroying friendship, killing relationships, instigating people to fight, either verbal or whatever. But I am saying that one day, all these verbal expressions, verbal whatever thing, let us pray that one day it does not translate to physical confrontation on the ground. Because on that day, amara m na onye nke m ka ọ onye nke ya ebe anya m anya m we may not know. We may not know. Stop it, it's not good. Stop it, my brother. It is not good. It is not good. Stop that. Stop living that kind of life. Stop living that kind of life. You cannot come and knowing fully well that now people to involve. And now people to involve are not just one person, but numbers and numbers. Numbers and numbers. If in Euro sicha a mapatako again and you another one osiwekwa sichapa only on another sichapa a mapatako again and you again, and you enjoy doing that. You enjoy doing that. A patako the other day ikukwa ejuko we kwuo ụgwọ ntụ ụka jikwa we kwuo ụgwọ ka I wee je gbasa mbaka ọgụ. You said it. You said na ntụ ụka kwụrụ ụgwọ ka I wee je nusa mbaka ọgụ na everything I kwuru about mbaka no ntụ ụka kwụrụ ụgwọ ka ije mee. A video capable of causing collision between the adorers and the Zionites. Then with those people who don't men abuse Ezoku by the side, taking advantage of the two parties. You did it. And that is still also a way of promoting peace in Igbo. From there you have to use your platform to preach love. Use your platform to promote peace among Igbo. So this is a way of promoting peace. By dropping something that is capable, adoration ministry Enugu, population both in Nigeria here and outside Nigeria, population of people worth over 10 million. Zion ministry with population of people close to 10 million. So what you did is that the two parties in before that people have forgotten. All the videos them na Facebook. Why are you like this? Why are you like this? What is the point you people are always trying to make in doing all this on Facebook? And when you go to bed, you sleep. Even those people who say, we love you, right on. You don't feel pained that you are misleading these people. Your conscience is not pricking you that you are misleading these people. That these people may take your intention to be genuine, but your intention is not genuine. You cannot feel guilty. Like this, and I say, for the sake of these people that still believe in me, oh my God, I am misleading them. Your conscience will begin to prick you. Have you lost that conscience that makes you a human being? Have you lost that conscience? My brother, the highest rate of murder you see now when you don't have conscience anymore. When you don't have conscience anymore, nothing bothers you. You don't care about anything, provided you are in a position to earn money. It is very bad. It is very bad. In your kapuye, can that adoration Enugu we must go crash here within the Zion? Can they what you aim to achieve is what I don't understand. When you were saying that thing about Mbaka, people assume that it is your opinion. Some people fought you then. Those people, there was also a crash then. A mission came, people move forward. Fast forward to yesterday. Yesterday, I don't mean like literally yesterday. Like fast forward to last month or last 2 months or so. You went and the Wolupa fuel to go for Putopuga to Pasani and Wapo, we believe the work again. In Oro. Eh? Now the Puga Yoku, Sena the Yuga Yoko, Nibel Water. Sena the Yuga Yoko, need in China. Sena the Yuga Yoko, Neto Afia. Now the Yuga Yoko, no one need grace your wedding. Yeah? Onya Sukunu, Yamebe Kosime, man, Onya name of Mana, Aselo Haki, man, if you never drama. Manokwa Manu nebe nwata na ebe akwa atu aka nne ya no henna ya no re nde mmada atu wona ya aka too much, and it's not something good. I don't have much problem in every other aspect of your life. But this aspect of always trying to throw in confusion is what I don't like, Ebeno. And the fact that when you do it, you will begin to parade yourself as an innocent man is what is so painful. You will begin to pretend like you don't know what you are doing, when in actual sense you know what you are doing. You know what you are doing. Every morning in Ndoka, you go on and say in Ndoka. Who arrested Ken? I am asking. Who arrested Ken? Who arrested Ken? Barely within 30 to 45 minutes, you will make an arrest. The information will go all over Facebook. 24 hours later, we are yet to see information everywhere about who arrested Ken. If you watch Mary na program na arrested Ken, and so what? Is he above arrest? Why can he not be arrested? Have you not been arrested before? Yes. Have you not been arrested before? Have you not arrested somebody before? What is there in arresting somebody? He arrests a man and the EJ to mmadụ na alụsị ka onye ahụ nwụọ. Ka ife dị iche na arrest ọka hụ mma. Ana m ajụ ajụjụ. He arrest mmadụ na ije to mmadụ na alụsị. Kedu nke ka dị more bad? Ije to mmadụ na alụsị wụ instant judgment. Instant judgment. Man, ime mmadụ arrest wụ ka eje kwuo ka eje kwukọrọ. Yes. So why na no ha arrest ya? Attention ndị antena mmadụ niile esietu apụrụ ọtọ na apapụ ka nke speed darlington. Ịnụ na arrest mmadụ, the best thing for you to do, the first for you to do is to find out who arrested the person, why the person was arrested. That is the first thing for you to do before you come out to crash people's heads together. 24 hours later, we are yet to know who arrested Kilafe. Yet to know who arrested Ken. But somebody had jumped to go out immediately. Somebody had jumped to go out immediately. Thereby I know Ndoka, because everything to you is content. You don't even know the signal you are passing to people out there. Tomorrow you will claim that you are a Christian. The kind of a Christian you are is what I am yet to understand. I am yet to understand what are those qualities that makes one a Christian. Like is it by always telling people evil? Is it by always telling people joka? Is it by always telling people is that what makes me a good DK? Is that what makes me a good DK? What makes me a true son of DKs is by living a life whereby when people see me outside, they will ask, by then I have introduced my family even without mentioning their names. What makes you a real Christian? Is it by always coming out to talk down on them? Is it by always coming out to criticize them? It is by always coming out. You are doing content, my brother. You are doing content. You cannot miss it. And that will not stop you from doing content and earning your money. But run away from some sensitive issues. I know what I mean by sensitive issues. The issue of arrest. Arrest. Why did you arrest here? Especially Ken and the Ife Amogasare. Can you when you arrest here, then it wire non-doka. One of what Ife Ejano Kitty na Facebook. It wire at the height of everything. In Orusia, now shows in there, I don't agree. Anarchy or not told, anarchy or not told. Then knowing fully well that now by mentioning Ndoka. Because we push away say, no how one dog can eat it. Of course, we know Ndoka Ununa are referred to. We know Ndoka Ununa are referred to. Ndoka. And the man to wear Potaqua, and you are telling me that you are a Christian.
because you want to do content, because you want Facebook to pay you, because you want your engagement to increase. Are there no better content you can still do that fall along those lines rather than instigating people against each other? Yes, rather than instigating people against each other. Then now all on somebody pick where up okay she will pick nke no ndoka diri ebe onye obodo no, and people forgot about the foundation of the problem. All on another person pick where up keta nebe je park no of your bakwa. Before you know it, a lot of people will go down, a lot of images will go down, a lot of names will be mentioned, and some people will be enjoying it. Because if I tell that some people are not enjoying it, then I will be lying to you. That is the same way all Naya control with this thing. What happened in Uganda? What happened between Igbos and Hausas? Let me tell you. What happened in South Africa? What happened in Zambia and other places? If we don't take care, it will teach us a better lesson another time than Igbo. Then we will learn it again the bitter way. Or see, as many as anyone who's in the Nondo to tell the future generations the story of what happened or what led to it. They go how it started. Only for you to know that it is something that can actually be managed. But some mischievous people, some people who will ulterior motives, some people who will personal interest, blew it out of proportion. Blew it out of proportion. Like I told you, anybody could have shut down that plane. Anybody could have done it. Anybody could have done it. It is a military government. It could have still been a coup within the same power. Because those people in our own minority, they are not in charge. Where did they source what it takes to get down the presidential plane? But the few people who were ulterior motive, who sat down and planned all these things, executed it successfully, passed that information, Nyagaria Bastian, Ogusunobodo. Within 24 hours, na Rwanda, over 1 million people. Still counting. Still counting. The Rwanda we wasasia ebeni wafusia because of one radio message. One radio message. Mmadụ na radio. We need that message. Onye anọlebe na aṅụ mmanya n'ụlọ ozugbo fu onye obodo na fu onye eberi na nkọ ominie mma bịa onye anọlebe a fu na nwunye ya ewu onye ebe onye asị n'ime compound a na-enwere ndebe ebe a bịa ebe etu a before shoot to flow a clean no more than 1 million people. Radio message, when people hear it, it goes straight to their emotion. Where people ya that shows we say ya wo into Facebook or not choosing say ya wo go get here to the other person who nya hiwe madam ke reality or not chowo because in South Africa, are you telling me that Nahamude as in Nigeria that they cannot drag you to immigration or if it happen? Why had you feel that no they will do that before they will get themselves, and it all depends on the information because I have to go to no go wonye Nigeria menu no ha ife ọ na-arụ no go wonye Nigeria na shop ga wonye supposedly no na mana onye gwara ife aha amahọ na ebe na South Africa ni Ikenga na-ele he na ngụmụ nwekwara ike jebe pekwa shop he na nkọ nke Ikenga na-ekwunye ụgwọ maka Ikenga kwụrụ ụgwọ ebe ahụ nọ were eme business ya ọ nọ he free so na ịbịakwa ịchọrọkwa shop na nkọ nke ekwụkwọ ụgwọ onye kwa afịa lebe ife ahụ ọ na-ele common sense ya agwasị nke mana ife anyị agwaghị ụwụ na ndị awụ ha na-eme ife niile ụnụ supposed ide eme na ọha rendara ndị bụ useless na ha mere nke na ha mere nke ibu n'ihe wite iwe because aka igowu mkpụrụ ọjọọ n'ime ife a na-etisa family today. A lot of family a na-anụ ọgụ today wo oge atụrụ atụ. A lot of families a na-anụ ọgụ today wo oge atụrụ atụ, oge adọ n'ofu ebe pụọ. Onye abụ okwu na those families today. Kedu interest onye tụrụ ụga? Personal interest. Ọ tụọ ya wee tii generation na-agbụ ebighị ebi a na-anụzi a na-egburie mmadụ isi a na-ada. Maka asịrị na obodo na-agba ghalaghala nwere ndị ji ya alachapịọm. Anyị kwere na onwe anyị aka ahụ agwamaghị ụnụ ayọ ọnụ na-achọghọ sọpọtụ ranụ jee paakị ọnyụpụ ya mapụta arestịrị mmadụ barely 1 hour 2 hours eji wee arrest mmadụ. Ụfọdụ ndị report of that arrest simply the palace of justice has been arrested. They did not go further. Nyanwa mapụta ọmachancha onyokomita internet FBI ọmachapụta ozugbo breki ihe ndị ụka unu na-eje ụka ngụmakwana ị na-agụ mmụọ ka m na-ajụ ị na-agụ mmụọ because you want to make Facebook money. Chineke melu na ebele ka ọ wụrụ na ife ahụ planned arrest. Chineke melu na ebele ka ọ wụrụ na ife ahụ plan and the stage kunu stage rie. Chineke melu na ebele. Chineke nya wụrụ nọ ezigbo arrest ka ọwụ. Nya wụrụ na ezigbo arrest ka ọwụ. Ma nya wụrụzie na-achọzi onye arrest ya. Nya wụrụ na ezigbo arrest ka ọwụ ma nya wụrụzie na-achọzi onye arrest ya. Ọ mapụtakwuo ya a lot of people nukwe ya caution ya ngụnwe ya kwe caution ya. Ya kwe caution ya gwa emedebe dis thing ọ na-eme n'ọdụrọ mma. Ya emedebe n'ọdụrọ mma. You are stepping on people's toes and you are expecting them not to talk. You are stepping on people's toes and you are really expecting them not to talk. Where does it happen? Kataketa. Ipata ilinde Nnewi. Or ipata ilinde Ebonyi State. Or ipata ilinde Imo State. As ndị Imo, not as one person. Onwe ife na-aza no nwere ofu onye Imo State go na-enwere nsogbu. No ipata ise ndị Imo State. And you are expecting ndị Igbo nọ na line o, ndị Imo nọ na park o, ndị Imo go na ha na-emekọ ife. You are expecting them not to react when you are calling them out in groups. You are calling them out as a state. So anybody from Imo State can respond to you. When you refer to them individually, the person they refer to will choose whether to respond to you or not. But when you refer to them as a state, anybody from Imo State will come and respond to you. Yes. When you refer to them as Ndoka, anybody from Ndoka can come and respond to you. It doesn't matter. And that was what happened just last time. Because when you say Ndoka, Ogechi Wonyoka, Awumonyoka, Ijuwa Wonyoka, yes, we came out and we responded to you. Before you know it, they tell God to one place still to tell you that that is what you enjoy doing. Ebele me wonu be sympathize with you. Ha ka ebele me melu. Nda na sympathize with you. Ha ka ebele me melu. Ọ ndị nọ under fake account, nọ ndị nwere real account. Ha ka ebele me melu. Only if they really understand the real intentions behind some of these things that they made on Facebook. Only if you understand the genuine and real interest concerning all these things that they made on Facebook, you will save your energy. You will save your energy. You will save your energy. Why have they not clarified to us something now? Ndoka Jesse arrested. Kilafaya. Ken, why in up till now they have not specified to us, they have not explained to us specifically the particular Ndoka they arrest Ken. Is it not time yet? Is it not time yet? Then Waja is coming to tell me that yes, now arrest Ken. That information not to complete. That information not to complete. Knowing very well that somebody has issued. Why? Okay, since you want to come and confirm his arrest, why can't you dispute the information that was given yesterday? If it is real, tell us that it is real. Yes, not Ndoka, not the mountain of fire church, not the redeemed, not the deeper life, not the St. Matthew Anglican Church, not the ministry Dotua, or no individual. Tell us that this is the person who arrested Ken. Now, if it is an individual who arrested Ken because of the problem they have, how can it be churches? Have you seen? If you get ndị Igbo ka nna ha eti mkpu a, ana m eti mkpu a, ana m ama ọkwa mmiri a bifo ozo, ana m ama ọkwa mmiri a bifo ozo. You may be enjoying it today. You may be enjoying it today. You may be enjoying it today. Book and the Haram Nugwausa started with all this madness on Facebook. It started with all this madness on Facebook. Information. We don't need this. We don't need this. These people need to. Before you know it, somebody will job. We execute first. Others will, because if anything, somebody abuse or something, can also we river, we follow suit. That is the only thing that is needed. There was a time Matthias came on Facebook to say, no one natural, no one natural, or no we family. Say, more church yoko, buonye dotua. Now, let me tell you how such things can boomerang in a very bad way. Well, that day, Abia may arrest. It is enough for criminally minded people to say, Nanda, in fact, before they will have to confirm that Matthias Nona first headquarters in Abuja, the first church, the second church, or the third church will go down within Obalande Matisse before a way say okay. That is the disadvantage of issuing out such words, especially when you are not referring to a person, you are talking about groups, people, numbers. That is why in the leader of groups, they suppose they do careful because of the wars they say with their mouth, because those people may misinterpret or misunderstand what you have said, and they will start acting immediately. Imagine that day that video surfacing on Facebook and adoy. Nande madu bidolo subo mashia governor church in nearby. That is why you should be careful with what you say on Facebook, because one day you are dealing with people. There are people who are following you. There are people who believe in you. There are people who trust you. There are people that when you tell, march to that fire, they will march to that fire without even having a feeling. There are people who are your die-hard followers that when you tell them that they will label that person. It is, however, left for you to make sure that you don't mislead them. Because if you eventually mislead them, if you need yes, do not take advantage of the fact that people listen to you when you talk. Then you will begin to talk anyhow. Matthias will followers of people who are following him. You don't even know the calibers of people the mentalities of people who are following you. You issued such statement. That was part of the place I started having issues with him, because all so careless with how he say some kind of sensitive words that is capable of causing uprising. All so careless on how he handles such words. So he issued it out without knowing the weight of the word he said. Now, supposing at that time or no catalog, for example, which of course we know that Nandento will get on what of all when you to Jimba? What of all when you to Jimba? So if you don't see them mad, because people don't want to answer of where he is. Look at Onye Jesus today. Onye Jesus has been missing for over 1 month or 2 months. Or Onye Jesus issued such words. When people need morale and liver enough to carry out actions. Are you not aware that by now, no one is in mad 10, is in mad 100, when he came down? Meanwhile, a maho, even medicine way back no people. Watch what you say on Facebook. Watch what you say on Facebook. Somebody genuine ekulobia. Ebe government market okualu say down for demolition. Ilu ebe a donola na Facebook. Wee one day na-eso na gọọmenti nwa ahụ akụọ okwu agwa wa ụlọ ụka taa na-eso. Now imagine na o nwere ndị na-eso ogwu na-ekweta ife ị na-ekwu, and na ndị ahụ ndị wụ psychiatric patient wee kutuo okwu alụsị ya, ha anyị echezi ka ịgwa ha jere ọha eje na, because you have already given them direction. That is how some of these political talks say, politicians, even without those politicians, telling them to go and do so. Are you telling me that now all the people in Lagos in women election, no, there are people also who will today. There are people who believe in you. There are people who can do and undo because of you. They can even be because of you, for your sake. So when you say some kind of word, manage it very well, because those people may push that word out of proportion, and you will answer for it. Because no good order. Yes, on good that order. Otherwise, why I'm on the show go no goes where no leaders can hold responsible, because they know that no that leaders will have responsible even without partaking fully on the battle. Man, no harm won't die hold responsible. So imagine some criminal element or people who are always prepared to carry out evil. They moved in Patuo, St. Philip Ekulobia, Patuo, St. Michael Ekulobia, Patuo. What do you think will happen? Mother Patana Facebook, Biaketa, Salaka, who went intimidate Woye. Mani ife nyoro na-esi. Mani ife nyoro n'ọnya na-esi. Mani ife nyoro na-esi. So let us stop this. We still have time now to stop this. I can wait time now. It is still early for us to bring sanity to this social media space. I can make him and the heaven and in the mother will bear me witness. Because I actually said it. Okunina and on Facebook because of some element, and they know what they are doing. How can somebody come out openly and tell you that some of the things genuine followers here no longer make fun? He will come out and tell you, now follow your plan. Are you for real? If you want to go into acting, go into acting. I don't think you know when if you went to Facebook without people they take you serious. When you first saw Sophia, you put on Facebook without people they take you serious. When you basketball to Bovia, You put on Facebook today, people they take it serious. What of Sabinus and the Macaroni? People they take it serious because people already understand what they do for a living. People already understand that these people are comedians, that they are capable of using anything to make jokes. I've said it countless times. But you that sit down to talk about real issues, analyze and give judgment, you will still be playing joke with serious issues. Capable are you aware? He said, hey, I'm not going to people you take it serious. I'm not going to never hear it. Look at AK heat. During the time of AK heat, a lot of people will really understand things from your own part. The moment you said it, a lot of people came out. They really understand the things from your own part because they have trusted your sense of judgment. They came in. All the people who against AK heat, the people in verbal abuse, in a lot of things. Even I don't know about anybody can walk. I'm walking with you. What if you want to only for you to come out last minute and tell people that to come and collide the heads of people together? You people should stop that. If you want to make a joke, put a disclaimer. Put a disclaimer so that people will know that this is not serious. People will know that this is not serious. Yes. Put a disclaimer. I will come here and say, we can talk about issues without instigating people against each other. We can do that. We can do that. Still, Igbo has refused to learn their lesson after how many years? Igbo has refused to learn their lesson after how many years? Aye, can they tip your buy? This remaining social media space, we are still keeping it. Say, Odol Kife. Odol Kife. Ever come end there for now. You want to go document about this video. As you go, make this video today. I don't know why a young man, I don't know if you grew up from a polygamous family. I don't know if you lacked love when you were growing up. You don't like love. You don't where people. You don't like where people are living together in love. You don't like where people are happy. You don't like where people are celebrating. You always like it when it is controversial and it is fight. Must you say everything? Must you say everything? You suddenly became the mouthpiece of Kelafaya. You suddenly became the mouthpiece of Ken. The way you suddenly became the mouthpiece of Okungudibia. You have suddenly become the mouthpiece and the attorney of Ken. You now represent Ken simply because you want to turn these people against these people, or simply because you want to prove a certain point. I don't know the point you are trying to prove exactly. He just squeezed you over there. You have problem with Accusations. Go and settle it with him, or you leave him and go your own way. You have problem with Accusations. Accusations is not the entire church. You lose everywhere. Anything capable of colliding the head of the church with other people, you are out. You need to go out for it. Actually, a man of peace. They are jealous of you. People are jealous of you. ịgbapụta n'iro eju onye na-akụ, ịpụta n'ime igbuo, ịgbapụta n'iro jụọ onye na-egbu, ngụkwo na-akụ ngụ na-ajụ, ngụ na-akụ ngụ na-ajụ, ngụ na-egbu ngụ na-ajụ. And you are enjoying that lifestyle. Abịa if is just to talk to you as a brother. If you like, accept it. If you like, don't accept it. All these things, you are only creating enmity here and there. And sooner or later, you are still going to switch again. Because when this part, becomes too hot, you will still leave it and run away. Run to somewhere if you know you don't more code. You will start apologizing to a lot of people. Mother suppose you go on and apologize. Sometimes you do the right thing. And when you know that you have done the right thing, leave the rest to God. Do the right thing. And when you know that you have done the right thing, leave the rest to God. There is no way an adult and them an other he name for a reason. Only for you to let her come out and put the responsibility on another man. Because you want that problem to be continuous. When will you even promote peace? When will you ever preach peace? When will you ever preach tolerance? When will you ever preach tolerance? I got such a I got say on Facebook. I got such a isi ajua yoyi. Isi ajua nyo elu aka ana elu aka. Ose nwa akwu uze nwa akwu. Decide that if you are going to be either a comedian, an analyst, a blogger, an activist, or a comedian. Yes, I said it at first. Or a prankster. After doing that prank, they will make it obvious to you so that you will know that not a prank, so that you don't take it serious. Why had you say not a prank is so that you don't take it to heart. When you come and begin to make a joke, you come and you begin to play games with people's emotion. One day, the reward will show. A also is a way joke. It's a way joke. Make you carry a bag. Go bust my life. I still remain your favorite Igbo. I don't know.